Super sick, because I know for sure once I get tuned, I'm gonna for sure use this a lot because I want to see my flames. And yeah, this is a really cool feature that moving on to number 4 here on the hidden features.
Have you ever wondered what secret features might be hiding in your car? You might be surprised to know that many vehicles come equipped with hidden functionalities that most drivers never notice. From convenience features that make your drive smoother to safety elements designed for emergencies, these little-known secrets can improve your overall driving experience. In this video, we'll reveal 10 hidden car features that you might not even realize exist. Some of them will save you time, others will make your trips more comfortable, and a few could even be lifesavers. Make sure to watch until the end. You may discover something you never knew about your own car. Number 1. Secret fuel cap indicator. Have you ever pulled up to a gas station and realized you don't remember which side your fuel tank is on? No need to step out of your car or guess. Most modern vehicles have a small arrow next to the fuel pump icon on your dashboard, indicating whether the fuel tank is on the left or right side. This tiny but useful feature is especially helpful when driving a rental or a newly purchased car. For example, if you see the arrow pointing to the left, your fuel cap is on the left side of your vehicle. If it points right, then it's on the right side. This simple indicator can save time, reduce confusion, and prevent unnecessary repositioning at the pump. Number 2. Hidden sun visor extension. Ever been blinded by the sun while driving, even with the sun visor down? A lot of cars actually have a hidden extension built into the visor that can slide out or fold down for extra protection. Some sun visors also swivel, allowing you to block the sun coming from the side window. In certain cars, you might even find an extra pull-down panel or a telescoping extension that can be adjusted to cover more of your windshield. If you often find yourself squinting because of the sunlight, take a moment to check your sun visor. This underrated feature can make a huge difference in improving visibility and preventing distractions while driving. Number 3. Windows that roll down with your key fob. Did you know that in many vehicles, you can roll down all your windows before even getting inside? This little-known feature can make a huge difference, especially during hot summer days when your car feels like an oven. Instead of opening the door and getting blasted by a wave of heat, you can let out the trapped hot air before stepping inside, making the cabin much more comfortable. If you own a car with this function, simply press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for a few seconds, and all the windows will automatically lower. Some cars also allow you to close the windows by holding down the lock button, which can be handy if you forgot to roll them up before leaving your vehicle. This feature is often found in mid-range and luxury vehicles, but some economy models also have it. However, not every car includes this function by default. It may need to be activated through your car's settings. Some vehicles require a manual configuration through the infotainment system, while others may need a dealership technician to enable it. Number 4. Hidden storage compartments. Many cars come with secret storage areas that are easy to overlook. Some of the most common hidden compartments include dashboard compartments. Some vehicles have concealed storage inside the dashboard, perfect for keeping important documents or valuables out of sight. Under-seat storage. In some SUVs and trucks, you may find hidden compartments beneath the seats that can store tools, emergency supplies, or personal items. Armrest storage. Certain models feature a hidden compartment inside the center console, offering extra space for small essentials. Underfloor cargo compartments. Some cars, particularly hatchbacks and SUVs, have storage spaces under the trunk floor, great for keeping items secure and out of view. Take a closer look inside your can. You might be surprised by the secret storage options available. Number 5. Steering wheel heater and cooled seats. Most drivers are familiar with heated seats, but did you know that some cars also come with a heated steering wheel? This feature is a game changer during cold weather, as it quickly warms up the steering wheel, making it more comfortable to hold on icy mornings. On the other hand, certain high-end vehicles also offer cooled seats. These seats have built-in ventilation systems that push cool air through the fabric or leather, preventing discomfort in hot weather. If you live in an area with extreme temperatures, these features can make your drives significantly more pleasant. Number 6. Built-in grocery bag hooks. How many times have you placed groceries in your trunk, only to find them scattered all over by the time you get home? It could be frustrating to see delicate items like eggs, bread, or fresh produce crushed under heavier bags, making a mess before you even get inside. Fortunately, many modern cars come with built-in grocery bag hooks designed to keep your items secure and organized while driving. These hooks are often located in various convenient spots, such as in the trunk area. Many cars have small plastic or metal hooks along the sides of the trunk or near the back seats, allowing you to hang multiple grocery bags upright and prevent them from tipping over. On the back of the front seats, these hooks provide a handy spot for smaller bags, backpacks, or purses, keeping them within easy reach for passengers and preventing them from sliding onto the floor. Near the passenger footrest, some vehicles have foldable hooks near the dashboard or door panels, which are perfect for securing takeout food, shopping bags, or even handbags during the drive. These hooks aren't just for groceries. They are also great for keeping fragile or spill-prone items like bottles, takeout containers, or even electronics safe and stable. If your car has these features, they can be incredibly useful for keeping your vehicle organized and making sure your items stay in place, no matter how sharp the turns or sudden the stops. Number 7. Auto hold brake function. If you spend a lot of time in traffic or frequently stop at red lights, the auto hold brake feature can be a lifesaver. This function automatically keeps the brakes engaged when your car is at a complete stop, so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake pedal. When you're ready to go, simply press the gas and the brakes will release. This is particularly useful for city driving, stop-and-go traffic, and long commutes. It not only reduces driver fatigue, but also adds an extra layer of convenience. Number 8. Hidden fuel cap holder. Most people don't notice this, but many cars have a small hook or clip on the inside of the fuel door designed to hold the fuel cap while you're filling up. Instead of letting the fuel cap dangle against your car, which can scratch the paint, collect dirt, or even cause the cap to get lost, you can simply secure it in place using this holder. This minor but useful feature is designed to make refueling more convenient by keeping the cap out of the way and preventing it from knocking against the car's body. In some models, the holder is a small plastic hook, while in others, it's an elastic strap or a designated slot on the fuel door. Using this feature not only helps protect your car's exterior, but also keeps the fuel cap from getting contaminated with dust or debris. If you've never noticed it before, take a look the next time you fill up. You might be surprised at how much easier it makes the process. Number 9. Windshield wiper defroster. If you live in an area with harsh winters, you know the struggle of frozen windshield wipers. Some vehicles have a heated windshield wiper park area, which gently warms the wipers to prevent them from sticking to the glass. This feature ensures that your wipers remain functional, improving visibility and safety in snowy or icy conditions. If your car has this feature, it can save you a lot of time and frustration on frosty mornings. Number 10. Rear seatbelt indicator. Ever driven off only to realize that a passenger in the back seat hasn't fastened their seatbelt? Many modern vehicles come equipped with a rear seatbelt indicator, which alerts the driver if someone in the back seat is unbuckled. This feature is especially useful for parents with children or anyone who frequently drives passengers. Some cars even have visual alerts on the dashboard or an audio warning to remind everyone to buckle up. Did any of these hidden features surprise you? Modern cars are filled with clever details that can make driving safer, more comfortable, and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. And if you know of any other secret car features, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and drive safe.